Are you looking to start your own YouTube channel but don't know where to begin? With over 2 billion monthly active users, YouTube is not only a platform for entertainment, but also an opportunity to build your brand or business. However, starting a successful YouTube channel can be overwhelming and time-consuming. That's why many creators turn to automation tools for help. In this video, we'll explore the world of YouTube automation for beginners and how it can help kickstart your channel growth. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, after Google. It has become a powerhouse for entertainment, education, and marketing. However, with over 31 million channels on YouTube, it can be challenging to stand out from the crowd. Automation tools can help streamline your workflow and make your channel more efficient. From scheduling uploads to managing comments, automation can make the process of running a YouTube channel much easier. In this blog post, we will discuss the various types of automation available and how to use them to get your channel up and running quickly. If you're new to creating content on YouTube, your first step is choosing a niche that you're passionate about. This will help you attract like-minded viewers who are interested in what you have to offer. Once you have your niche, you'll need to start creating content. Utilizing automation tools can help you quickly craft videos and upload them on a regular schedule. This will ensure that your channel has a steady flow of new content and keep viewers engaged. Once you've nailed down your niche and created quality content consistently, it's time to focus on search engine optimization, SEO. SEO is crucial because it helps your videos rank higher in search results when people search for keywords related to your channel. To optimize your videos for SEO, make sure to use relevant keywords in titles and descriptions. You should also add tags that relate to your video topic and include closed captions or transcripts of your videos. Finally, you should create an engaging thumbnail for each video. Thumbnails are the first thing viewers see when they come across your videos in search results, so make sure to make them attractive and easily recognizable. YouTube offers endless possibilities for creators looking to share their ideas with the world. By finding a niche that aligns with your interests and optimizing your content for SEO using automation tools such as TubeBuddy or vidIQ can help accelerate growth of subscribership. Choosing a niche for your YouTube channel is one of the most crucial steps in starting your journey as a content creator. It's essential to pick a topic that you're passionate about and have knowledge in. Once you've chosen a niche, the next step is to start creating content and uploading it regularly. Utilizing automation tools can help you streamline your workflow and make it easier to upload videos on a consistent schedule. Automation tools can also help optimize your videos for SEO, which will boost your rankings in YouTube search results. Additionally, automation tools allow you to easily manage comments, track analytics, and more. By leveraging the power of automation to create content and optimize it for SEO, you can kickstart the growth of your YouTube channel in no time. The first step in choosing a niche is brainstorming ideas based on what you enjoy doing or talking about. Think about topics that excite you and make sure it aligns with what people are searching for online. Next, research your potential competitors within the same niche. Analyze their channel's strengths and weaknesses, see how they interact with their audience, which video formats they use more often, etc. It's also important to consider if there is commercial value or demand behind your chosen niche. The last thing you want is creating videos on something no one else wants to watch. Once you've narrowed down your choices based on these factors, choose a specific angle or unique perspective that sets yourself apart from others who produce similar content in the same category. Remember not to rush when deciding on which niche to pursue because this will be an integral part of building up subscribers and viewership over time. Finally, start creating quality content and upload it on a regular schedule. Utilizing automation tools can help you streamline your workflow and make it easier to keep up with the demands of running a YouTube channel. Automation tools are also essential for optimizing videos for SEO and managing comments, analytics, etc. By taking advantage of the power of automation to create content and optimize it for SEO, you'll be well on your way to establishing your own successful YouTube channel. Search engine optimization, SEO, is a crucial aspect of YouTube automation for beginners. It involves optimizing your content to rank higher on search engine results pages, which in turn drives more organic traffic to your videos. To start with SEO, you must first conduct keyword research and find out what people are searching for within your niche. Use these keywords throughout your video title, description, tags, and even in the video itself. Additionally, make sure that your video titles and descriptions are clear and concise while still being informative. Avoid using clickbait tactics or misleading information, as this can harm both your audience's trust and the algorithm's perception of your content. Another important element of SEO is engagement metrics such as likes, comments, shares, and watch time. The more engaging your content is to users outside of the initial views from promotion campaigns will push it up in search rankings over time. Finally, consider creating transcripts or closed captions to make your videos easier to access and understand. This helps increase the visibility of your content to those who are deaf or hard of hearing, as well as improving your overall SEO score. By following these tips and leveraging the power of automation tools, you can start optimizing your channel for success. Lastly, be patient with SEO optimization, as some factors like backlinks take time but ultimately improve ranking over time. As a beginner YouTuber, you may find yourself overwhelmed by the amount of work that goes into creating and promoting your content. Luckily, there are automation tools available to help make things easier. One such tool is TubeBuddy, which provides features like scheduling video uploads and automating keyword research. This can save you time and reduce the stress of managing your channel. Another useful tool is If This Then That, which allows you to automate actions based on certain triggers. For example, you could set up an if recipe to automatically tweet out new videos as soon as they're uploaded to YouTube. It's important not to rely too heavily on automation though. Genuine engagement with your audience is still crucial for building a community around your channel. Use automation tools strategically to complement your efforts rather than replace them entirely. By incorporating these automation tools into your workflow as a beginner YouTuber, you'll be able to save time and focus more on creating great content that resonates with your audience.